Welcome to the future of the Internet, Web 3.0. This is where you control your data, transactions are instant and secure, and the power is no longer in the hands of big tech. Let's dive into what makes Web 3.0 the next evolution of the web. Imagine a world where you control your data, transactions are instant and secure, and the internet is no longer ruled by big tech. Welcome to Web 3.0, the next evolution of the web. Let's break it down. Web 3.0 is the decentralized version of the internet, powered by blockchain, AI, and smart contracts. Unlike Web 2.0, where companies like Google and Facebook own your data, Web 3.0 puts control back into your hands. It's often called the read-write-own web, allowing users to securely manage their own data without intermediaries. NFTs, or non-fungible tokens, are digital assets that represent ownership, like digital art, tickets, or virtual real estate. They thrive on Web 3.0 because blockchain ensures security and transparency. Think of NFTs as a way to buy, sell, and trade unique digital items. Like owning the Mona Lisa, but in the digital world. From finance or DeFi to gaming, like play to earn, and even healthcare, Web 3.0 is revolutionizing industries. Over 70% of large companies are exploring blockchain for supply chain, identity management, and secure transactions. It's easy to dip your toes into Web 3.0. Start with a crypto wallet like Metamask. I have a video for you how to install Metamask. Step-by-step link in the description. Explore decentralized apps, often called DApps, or even create your first NFT. Platforms like OpenSea and Axie Infinity are beginner-friendly ways to experience Web 3.0 today. Web 3.0 is just getting started. With advancements in AI, the rise of decentralized autonomous organizations, or DAOs, and the Metaverse, the possibilities are endless. It's not just about technology, it's about shaping a more equitable internet for all. Excited to explore Web 3.0? Subscribe for more beginner-friendly tech videos, weekly crypto news, avoid crypto scams videos, and drop your questions below. Your Web 3.0 journey starts now. Crypto Inspector is out.